Hello, what is up mga mom, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Legends Venom from the King in Black storyline. Sobrang laki ng wingspan niya. Unahin na natin i-measure yung kanyang wingspan. So, okay, measure natin yung wingspan niya. 1 to 12 inches. Measure natin dito. Okay, sa feet ni Venom. Okay, hanggang dito around 12 plus 20 inches. Grabe yung yung kanyang wingspan. Sobrang pwede nyo pa ma-extend yan eh. Yan. Siguro mga 21, siguro hanggang 21 inches yung wingspan niya. Sobrang laki mga mom, sir. Very nice wing accessories from Marvel Legends. Super cool. I-measure natin si Venom. Venom stands around 7.5 inches tall. And yung width niya, kapag nakaganon yung kamay, or yung body muna, almost 3 inches. Tapos yung kamay around 5 inches. And then size comparison with McFarlane Toys. And 7 inches naman to si Batman Dark Detective. Marvel Legends, 6 inches. There you go. Tapos ZD Toys, 7 inches. And then we have yung bagong ZD Toys. Hindi ko pa na-measure to eh. Baka 7 inches tall din to. Yeah, 7 inches tall din. 7 inch tall na Venomized Iron Man. Bagay sila magkatabi. Kasi parehong may symbiote. Ito naman si Thanos. 7 inches din ba siya? Yeah, I think, yep, 7 inches din. Yan. Stick pala to pag magkakatabi sila sa display, no? Kasi Venomized din sila pareho. Yan. Yan. Meron din siyang alt head and dalawang one pair of hands. Okay, tanggalin ko muna yung wings para ma-review natin ng maayos si Venom. Ayan, tanggalin muna natin. Ayan. Let's set that aside. Tapos mag-focus muna tayo dito sa figure. Okay, let's start with the build. Very solid build. Very solid plastic. Hard plastic yung ginamit nila, tapos medyo soft plastic dito sa hands, so he can do or grip yung mga accessories na pwede nating i-add. Actually, mag-add tayo dito ng hammer, yung ginamit na sa King in Black. Sa color palette, this is a combination of black paint, actually black plastic to mga momser, tapos may mga finish lang na mga glossy yung ibang parts, tapos matte yung ibang parts. Hindi siya overall glossy finish lahat. Tulad dito sa part na to. Dito mas glossy, dito matte. Then you have the Venom logo here at the chest, hanggang dito sa stomach. Tapos okay din naman yung sculpt ng muscular details niya. Let's start with the head. You have the very large white eyes. Gusto ko yan, oversized na mata. Then may mga Venom symbiote veins sa kanyang head. Yung cut ng kanyang jaw or mouth, umabot na hanggang dito sa part ng head niya. Very cool design. And then you have the gums, tapos may teeth, then lumalabas dito yung oversized na tongue niya. Super nice. Yung tongue niya color pink. Tapos ano ba, yung sa body naman, it's a relatively bulkier body. Tapos may mga muscular details. You have the shoulders, the biceps, the triceps, the abdomen. Tapos you also have the legs. Very cool muscular details here. You also have the calves and then yung feet. Tapos meron din siyang logo sa likod. And then sa hands naman, meron siyang rectangular pattern dito sa kanyang back of the palm. And tapos sa articulation naman, teka, ma-zoom out tayo. Okay, for articulation, start tayo dito sa wings. Actually, itong wings, muna natin, tingnan muna natin yung mga wing detail niya. Meron din mga veins or symbiote dito around the flaps of the wings or yung skin ng wings. Excuse me. Then you have the bones here of the wings. One massive bone, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, siya, 2 parts yung wings, pwede nyo tanggalin, okay? Pwede nyo rin ikabit. Tapos, pwede rin siyang ma-articulate, something like that. Very nice. Then, you have the back of the wings, may mga symbiote details din dito, color black, and red. Yung part ng wings, dito mas vibrant, dito mas desaturated. Also, meron din siyang level of weathering. Yung level of weathering niya may mga holes, may mga tear, diyan sa part na to, yan, usually dito sa tips or end ng wing flaps. Tapos ganun din dito, hindi siya symmetrical. Baga iba yung battle damage dito sa wing on the left and iba din dito sa right. Tama nga ba? Yeah, oo nga. Yeah. I think it's different. Okay, for articulation, up, tanggal. Ayan, up, down, rotation 360. Kung medyo matigas yung mga joints, pwede nyo i-heat. Okay? Tapos 360 yung arms, then up, bicep cut, rotation, then double jointed elbow. Tapos ball joint yung kamay, you can move up or down. And then sa torso, ab crunch, there you go, that's nice, very cool. Then ab crunch like that far, very nice. Twist, nice. Tapos sa paa naman, thigh cut, meron din thigh rotation, can kick, oh, that far, very cool. And then outward, tapos knees, double jointed, very nice. And then yung paa can rotate, tapos pwede rin ba ito matanggal up, okay, something like, oh nice, something like that, cool, very cool. Okay, so that's it for articulation. Alright, medyo mahirap lang ikabit yung wings, so I think you need to hit yung hole para mapasok, mas madali mapasok yung peg. So other than that, this is a very nice action figure sa Venom collection nyo. Okay, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.